Hi YouTube, this is some other things that we do to be able to live on solar efficiently. This refrigerator is a DC refrigerator. It runs on its own system. It goes directly from the solar panels to the batteries to the fridge. It might not look like it has that much room, but it's got more than you think. It's just us two, so it's perfect size for us. As you can tell, we need to go shopping.
We got the freezer too.
And it's got a freezer. We done got it stocked with some stuff. It holds a lot of stuff. And here's our deep freezer. We got it at Sam's Club. It is remarkably cheap to operate, so it doesn't really hurt the solar system that much.
There's a meter up there saying like hold.
Here's a meter. I don't know if you can get it. This camera's getting crappier and crappier. You see. Zoom camera. Just zoom just a little bit for me. There it goes. It's zooming now. That's how much it uses. And that's with it running on run mode. Well, later YouTube, here's some more things we do to live off grid, and it's possible. Later YouTube, bye.